I have a LG washer. Model number is WT7880HWA. About 5 years old. Of course, everything made in China is junk, pretty much. But this is a replacement valve set. The original one in the washer was leaking. So I saw this on Amazon. I looked it up. The part number is AJU75152-602. Got this from Amazon. About $27 total. It's a piece of crap, as the note says on the return. Started throwing up all kind of crazy ass codes, especially the LE code. Uh, wasn't getting enough water. Drove me insane. It would work on rinse and spin 3/4 of the time. But the other uh, modes, it didn't work. So it's going back. The new valve set cost about 130 some bucks. But you know what? It works. And it's a genuine LG part. Which next washer I buy will probably cost me 1,000 to 1,500 bucks. I'm going to buy one of the good ones made in the United States. I forgot the brand name. I'll have to look it up. Somebody could put a comment on what I'm talking about when it comes to washers. Anyway, do not buy any Amazon parts when it comes to an LG washer. They're crap. This is junk. It's going back. And they don't give me a refund. Well, I'll give them the finger. Anyway, just some information. It looks pretty. It doesn't even weigh as much as the manufacturer's uh, valve set. This is nothing but a bunch of solenoids. Anyway, just an FYI. Remember this. Buy it from the manufacturer. Don't buy an aftermarket one. Kind of going the same place with car parts. Except if you own a GM, it's General Motors China. Anyway, have a good one.